The guardian of the dream. Once upon a time, a girl called the Guardian of Dreams lived in a small village. Her name is Lena. Lena loved to look up at the dimly lit night sky and think about what secrets the stars hid. One evening, Lena took a nap under an old cherry tree on the outskirts of the village, blowing in the gentle breeze. In her dream, she got lost in a mysterious world wrapped in beautiful light. There was an endless flower garden and a rainbow-colored river flowing. The dream-spinning fairies lived in the place, and they worked every night to protect the children's dreams. Lena met the fairies and decided to help them with their work. The fairies gathered small stars and scattered them so that the children could have peaceful dreams. Dreams are an important treasure. I warm their hearts by sending children friendly dreams. One of the fairies taught me. Lena gathered a lot of stars in her dream and sprinkled them with all her heart so that a gentle dream could spread. Then, her heart was filled with a warm light. Eventually, as the night approached, the fairies expressed their gratitude to Lena. "Thanks to you, many children were able to have happy dreams. Thank you, Lena." When Lena heard those words, she felt her heart warm. And when she woke up, she confirmed that she was under the cherry tree. I felt as if the events in my dream were real. Since then, Lena has watched the stars shine under the cherry trees every night to let the children of the village have a kind dream. The children fell into a peaceful sleep while feeling Rena's presence. In this way, Lena's kind-hearted behavior taught the people of the village an important lesson: the importance of cherishing dreams and caring for people with kindness. Lena and the fairies will continue to protect the happiness of the children under the night sky with the stars. Good night. I hope you have a wonderful time in your dreams.